Want to know how to use the Fitness Coach app? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basic steps to get started and create your personalized workout plan. First, download and open the Fitness Coach app. When you launch the app for the first time, you'll be asked a few questions about your fitness goals, experience level, age, weight, and activity level. Answer these questions accurately so the app can create a workout plan that matches your needs. Once you've completed the setup, you'll be taken to your personalized fitness dashboard. Here you'll see your workout plan, daily exercises, progress tracking, and other fitness tools available in the app. Next, tap on your workout plan to begin your first session. Follow the exercise demonstrations and instructions shown on the screen. The app typically includes timers, repetitions, and rest periods to help guide you through each workout. As you complete workouts, the app will track your progress and help you stay consistent with your fitness routine. You can also update your profile information and goals if your fitness objectives change over time. This tutorial is for informational purposes only, and fitness results vary from person to person based on factors such as consistency, nutrition, effort, recovery, and overall health condition. For the best results, follow your workout plan regularly, maintain a balanced diet, and listen to your body during exercise. If you experience pain or have medical concerns, consult a qualified healthcare professional before beginning a fitness program. That's how to use the Fitness Coach app. Set up your profile, follow your personalized workout plan, track your progress, and stay consistent with your fitness journey.